Now, up till now, we have seen regular expressions for different type of languages. Today, we will concentrate on the regular expressions for which length is given for the language. So let's say that we have to find a regular expression for the string which is made of, or the grammar which is made of A and B, and the length is exactly 2. Exactly 2 means all the strings which are possible should be of length exactly 2. So when it is saying that all the strings which are possible of length exactly 2, it, what are the strings which are possible? Double A exactly 2, AB exactly 2, BA or BB. So these are the only strings which are possible with exactly 2, AA, AB, BA, BB. No other strings are possible for exactly 2. So this is a finite language. These are the strings which are possible for exactly 2. So the regular expression becomes very simple for us. It becomes AA plus AB plus BA plus BB. So this is the regular expression for the string of length exactly 2. We can simplify this regular expression further. So to simplify this regular expression, let's take this A common. Over here, let's take this B common. Now, what we have taken common is A plus B. Now, let's take this A plus B common. This A plus B is common. Let's take this outside. So what comes inside is A plus B. So this is a simplified answer for regular expressions of strings of length exactly 2. Strings of length exactly 2. Similarly, if the question comes for strings of length exactly 3, the regular expression would be A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. This is for exactly 3. Similarly, for exactly 4, 4 times it will come. So this is the way we can write down the regular expressions for the language which is finite. And in your examinations also, the things become simpler if it comes for exactly 4, exactly 5. We know that we have to repeat A plus B n number of times.